Hi, this is Brian Schiff with Functionally Fit. In the prior column, I demonstrated an anterior step down, which was designed to really improve closed chain dorsiflexion mobility. This is a follow-up exercise using a slide or a gliding disc where I'm going to demonstrate an anterior reach. And again, the primary goal of this exercise is to load the ankle joint and improve closed chain dorsiflexion. It's really great for people that have an asymmetry or some sort of mobility issue, and it will help reduce injury risk in terms of ACL prevention, patellofemoral pain. If you've got somebody with some patellofemoral instability, we don't want to have limited dorsiflexion that is going to throw them into some biomechanical valgus because the body is not going to be able to move through that restriction, it's going to move around it. So in this case, the left leg is going to be the ankle that I'm working on, if you will, or the stiff ankle. Again, I've got something here, in this case the bike, to hold on to give me some support. Place my right foot on top of the slider, and now I'm going to drive the left knee over that second toe as I slide out, getting as low as I can to where I feel that ankle start to stretch. You could get some stretch in the gastroc complex, but ideally you want to get low enough where we feel it in the ankle joint, getting to that end range. As soon as you see them start to tick in or valgus or go into pronation, then that's going to be your cue that they've run out of mobility and now the brain's getting in a different way. So we want them to learn where that point is. We may need to give them some tactile feedback or auditory feedback. But again, driving down, getting into that end range, pause, and come up out of it. So it's a really good exercise to, again, facilitate closed chain dorsiflexion, work on resolving any asymmetry or mobility issues they may have on that side. Typically about 10 repetitions, 1 to 3 sets. Really focus on form, quality of movement. Make sure that they're not going into compensatory motion, otherwise you're going to defeat the purpose of the exercise. But I think it's a really good additional activity that you can use to really improve. Those mechanics can be used prior to a workout or a strength training session to work on correcting any imbalance they may have.